Breast cancer awareness is crucial for ensuring the health and well-being of our community. As we come together to support one another, it's essential to prioritize education and understanding of this prevalent disease. Breast cancer can affect anyone, regardless of age, gender, or background. By increasing awareness, we empower individuals to recognize the signs and symptoms, understand the importance of early detection, and access necessary resources for screening and treatment. Visit Professor Zahid Mahmood for checkup at Hameed Latif Hospital Garden Town, Lahore between 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Through community outreach programs, educational workshops, and open discussions, we can dispel myths surrounding breast cancer and encourage proactive measures, such as regular self-examinations and mammograms.